Hey there, fellow creators. Welcome back. Where we're about to embark on a hilarious and creative journey today. I've got a fantastic tutorial for you on how to create 3D Christmas images using the free website Bing Image Creator. Whether you're a pro or a beginner, I've got you covered with easy steps for creating AI image. Get ready for a dose of creativity and fun. As we dive into the world of whimsical AI animal images, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more exciting content, and let's jump right into the tutorial. First, go to Google and search Bing Image Creator. Touch the link to go to website. Touch Join and Create. If you have a Microsoft account, you can log in. If you haven't account, touch Create One and create a new Microsoft account. Get the verification code in your mail inbox. Verification is complete.
Type this text. Little rabbit dressed in human type Santa hat riding a motorbike down the hyper-realistic street with snow and Christmas lights. Download image in here. Little rat dressed in human type Santa hat riding a jeep with his partner down the hyper-realistic street with snow and Christmas lights. Little kitten dressed in human type Santa hat riding a skateboard down the hyper-realistic street with snow and Christmas lights. Little hamster dressed in human type Santa hat riding a bicycle down the hyper-realistic street with snow and Christmas lights. Little Santa rides slide pulled by a little rabbit down the hyper-realistic street with snow and Christmas lights. A little squirrel dressed in human type Santa hat riding a bicycle with eating big cashew nuts down the hyper-realistic street with snow and Christmas lights. Full video in my YouTube channel.